Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hanim binti Muhammad Zabri. I will present about the equation of ellipse. So in this topic, we are going to talk on how to graph an ellipse and how to determine the coordinate of foci and also the vertices. First and foremost, let's understand what is an ellipse. An ellipse is a set of points on a plane curve whose sum of the distances from two focal points is constant, or it also can be simplified as ovals that can be reflected over a line and be symmetric. For better understanding, so here is an ellipse. It has a major axis and also the minor axis. What it means by set of points is that an ellipse is formed by 6 important points, where 2 points of major vertex, left and right, 2 points of minor vertex, also known as co-vertex, upwards and downwards, and the last 2 points will be 2 focus points, also known as foci. So this 6 point of ellipse is very important in order for you guys to construct the graph of ellipse, which will be discussed later. Ellipse has two types. First one is vertical ellipse and the second one will be horizontal ellipse. The difference between these two ellipses is that the position of the major axis. For the vertical ellipse, the major axis lies on the y-axis. And then for the horizontal ellipse, the major axis lies on the x-axis. In this lesson, we will focus on the horizontal ellipse first. Now let's see on the free body diagram of the ellipse first. Okay. The semi-major axis is represented by the character of A from here to here. The semi-minor axis from here to here is represented by the character of B. The coordinates of foci is represented by character of C, and the vertices is represented by the character of B. For ellipse with center at origin 0, 0, the standard equation will be x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared. It will equal to 1, which is the constant. Based on this equation, you can determine the type of ellipse that you have, either horizontal or vertical, where the value of A must always greater than the value of B. If the larger number under x squared means the ellipse is horizontal, and if the larger number under y square means the ellipse is vertical. Now let's talk about the coordinate of foci. The foci is always located at the ellipse major axis and C unit away from the center, which is from here to here. So the coordinates of foci is going to be plus minus C, 0. So how to find the value of C is that we are using this formula, which is C square equal to A square minus B square. The last one will be the coordinates of vertices. So major vertices is represented by plus minus A, 0. Minor vertices is represented by 0, plus minus B. Let's take a look at example 1. So in this example, you will need to graph the ellipse, identify the coordinates of the vertices and foci for the following equation, which is x squared over 9 plus y squared over 4 equal to 1. So based on this equation, you can see that it is satisfy the condition of the ellipse at origin, where the coordinate of the center is 0, 0. So if you refer back to the slide number 5, you can see that the standard equation of the ellipse at center 0, 0 is equal to x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equal to 1. So from this equation, you can get the information for the value of a squared. So if you refer over here, a squared is equal to 9. So you will get the value of A will be 3. So B square will be 4 here. So the value of B is 2. So from this information, you now can identify the coordinates of the vertices. So you already know that the vertices have the major and also the minor. For the major part, you will have plus minus a, comma 0 as the coordinates. So you just simply substitute the value of the a, which is 3. And now the value for the vertices, minor vertices, will be 0 plus minus b. So you replace the value of the b. So now you can directly sketch your graph where you set up the major axis first. So in the major axis, the value of the left side will be negative 3, 0, and the right side will be 3, comma 0. So now let's set up for the y-axis. Okay. So the coordinate of the y-axis will be 0, 2 and 0, comma negative 2. So now you can construct the graph of ellipse, then it will become like this. Okay, so now you have complete the coordinate of the vertices. Now you want to find the coordinate for the foci. In order for you guys to meet or to identify the foci, so you need to find the value of C first. Okay, so in the notes given earlier, the C value, if you want to find, you need to use this formula. So the formula will be C square equal to A square minus B square. So you can get the value of 9 minus 4, get 5, and then the square root of 5. So C is equal to square root of 5. Now you can put inside the coordinate of foci, plus minus C, comma 0. So the value will be plus minus square root of 5, comma 0. So you can sketch on the graph, okay, like this. Right, so the value for the square root of 5 is around 2.24. So now you have finished answer the questions. I hope this lesson will help you in understanding the ellipse topic. So if you have any questions regarding the ellipse, you may leave your comment at the comment side. See you in the next class. Thank you.